My people, oh, make una come oh, because waiting the apple for Anambra State. This rainy season no be small matter oh. Honestly, I no understand the type of flood where we dey see for Anambra State these days.
Hey! Okay, come on, man. Get on him. Come here, I this boy, Keka. This boy don't go. Yeah, I mean, I see the Keke. Only I'm ready to go. Yeah, I mean, I see the Keke.
I don't see flood for Lagos. I don't see flood for Port Harcourt. I don't even see flood for Benin, Warri. I mean, all these places they experience flooding every single time.
Okpaworo government, yeah. What you show what do for ground where you not fit continue. Yeah, you see Benin, I go be this one so. Yeah, Soludo, then we can't junction for a gun. I be this. Yeah, you see everywhere. See the way for. See that road.
But this Anambra own, e be like say the flood get personal beef with the people where they live for Anambra State. I be waiting you want make her talk.
Hey, Nanketa tabu was. So pa ile da mamila basigia. Le moto kamile ligia. Hey, le so bugo bi ni mila bagia. Keta tabu was. All the too much, all the too much, all the too much. All the too much. Hey, Alexander Plaza, mana ataga ja funa Plaza. Keta tabu was.
How far the possible?
Hey, shop on the net, they will mean after.
How flood go carry full-grown tree? They waka like saying a toothpick e be. No be joke oh. This particular video wey una dey see so na for Nnewi happen, and the force wey the water carry alone fit make person fear. The thing wey shock me pass be say this one no be one-time incident o. E dey happen every year. Once rain start like this for Anambra State, na the same story. But e come be like say this year own e get as e be.
July
And the thing wey dey shock people be say this particular flood wey dey happen no be for one place, so it dey happen for different community wey dey Anambra State, for different market, different road, flood everywhere. For instance, e get this particular woman wey get her business for Ogidi Market. The woman dey for serious pain. The woman cry out say where she wan start from, say she don lost plenty millions. Begin dey show us wetin the flood don do to her business. She come dey beg Governor Soludo help them for this market where dem dey. Chai, imagine investing your hard-earned money into business, stocking your shop, only for one rainfall to come and carry away all your profits, your goods, and even your peace of mind. That kind pain no be something anybody dey pray for.
Where do I start from? God, where do I start from? 1 naira where they take they manage myself. Where do I start from? What kind of disaster is this? What kind of disaster is this? God, see my goods. I'm going to check what the name is. 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 Que dia bia pana mangari mes no flood de body ka ba kusi mo flood de ba de go ba ya de go da ya inka ele be de won ka to nimia. Where do I start from? What kind of life is this? God of mercy. This is the third time this thing is happening to me. God. Agwam this guy. My fan na any ne fan ofurun ka go. Every damn thing here. Look at. God of mercy. God. What kind of disaster is this? Hey, Taisim bend the chica. Oh. Hey, Odarada Jesus. Hey, Taisim darada. Oh.
But make we talk true safe. Why be say flood for Anambra State they always look this very aggressive? Abi na because drainage systems no dey work? Abi na because underways don dey blocked? Wetin dey really occur for Anambra State? Abi na because say some areas no get proper environmental planning? Is this kind problem don pass the level of e go soon stop? People are beginning to lose their properties. Businesses are suffering. Roads are being damaged every single time, and families are counting losses every rainy season. Now, Governor Soludo's administration has been carrying out road projects and urban renewal efforts across the state, but many residents believe that drainage and flood control need to become an even bigger priority. Because what is the essence of building beautiful roads if flood will still come and wash everything away? My Anambra people, how na help us understand wetin really dey happen for your area? If you dey Nnewi, you dey Oka, you dey Onitsha, you dey Ogidi, Nkwo, Ekulobia, Ihiala, or anywhere for Anambra State, tell us the situation reports for your area. How bad the flooding dey where you dey live? Has it improved compared to previous years, or is it simply getting worse? And most importantly, what do you think the state government should do differently to finally solve this particular problem? Drop your thoughts in the comment section.